Severe flooding has been witnessed in India's tea-growing state Assam that's killed 85 people and displaced millions in just the last 2 weeks. As many as 27 districts of Assam have been affected adversely due to the flood situation. Our correspondent Ashutosh Mishra visited one of those areas. Take a look at this report from Chaudhary Bazar village in Barpeta district.
In Barpeta district, this is Chaudhary Bazar town, and a very small town in this district, but houses those who are submerged in the water. This looks scary here, and that also explains how people are living in a huge number across the state of Assam in as many as 25 districts. The locals have come here to receive, and through this boat I'll try to reach out to those villages which are now submerged, and those people have taken shelter on the roadside. So this is now time to visit them and understand their pain, because this is not a new scenario. This has been happening over the years and almost every year, but nothing has happened on the ground in substantially concrete to help them out by authorities, agencies or the government. So all the villages in Chaudhary Bazar, Junia, completely submerged. So the water sources, everything, electric poles, everything that looks submerged in the water completely. And even the visibility, while it's raining here in Barpeta, even the visibility from the main town and the national highway looks completely dark. And the other side, the life has completely been in difficult condition. And this is not just one day scenario, but it goes for many days, perhaps many weeks, 3 to 4 months. And that's how the people are living on the embankments of Brahmaputra or even in the around area, because most of the villages that have gone under the water here. Other side, if you see that there are few people, those who are living side, be the that looks like almost an island area, and the embankments. These are the highlands part of certain villages where still the water could not reach, and since it has reduced a few degrees, few people are still living, but it is making things very difficult to take all the way their belongings from these villages. Imagine the number of people, those who have been living here, that's been in hundreds of them, and taking all their belongings to the roadside and living in a shelter, in a temporary shelter made of plastic, or the accommodation or any relief camps that are made by agencies and authorities here in Barpeta in Assam. It's all water and water everywhere in Chaudhary Bazar, the Barpeta district. And most of the people either have evacuated and have gone to the roadside or have taken shelter on the embankment or the highland areas. Here in Chaudhary Bazar, this is one of the highland, very small in size, and Rafiul Islam and all his family members have taken temporary shelter here on this highland. It's raining heavily here, but Rafiul Islam managed to escape, and when he left his village, all his the pet animals, the cows, the buffaloes, kids, women, everyone, he escorted everyone here and got them safe here. But now how they are living here? With this makeshift, a tent, a plastic tent, and all the family members are forced to survive here. This is what they need food, and to cook food, they need boots. And now it's raining heavily. You can understand how difficult it is going to be to live and survive for next few days. But all his family members, even senior citizens, they are living here in the difficult situation. ये पानी तो लगातार फिर बढ़ रहा है, बारिश हो रही है.
अभी तक भर रहा है. सुबह से कम 1 हाथ बाहर गया, और अभी तक भर रहा है. लेकिन और 1 हाथ होगा तो यहाँ से तो निकलना पड़ेगा. अभी तो खाना पीना कहाँ से मिलेगा? लोकरी में भी सब भीज गया. अभी तो खाना कैसे बनाएगा अभी सोच रहा हूँ. अभी बाजार में जाना पड़ेगा, कुछ लेके आना पड़ेगा, केरोसिन स्टोव जलाना पड़ेगा.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.